Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Incel Gaming here. Today we're gonna be playing some more Shinobi Life. Today I'm gonna be playing I'm gonna be cosplaying as Madara Uchiha. I have his Sharingan, his Eternal Sharingan. I have Madara's Eternal Mangekyo Sharingan. I know this is not what he wears. When I go into the video, you'll see I'll have what I need. I'm not gonna be using his elements because I don't got spins and I don't got Robux to buy the spins. So this will be what I'm using. Earth, wind. Once I'll buy spins and try to do better cosplay things. Yeah. Anyways, let's get right into the video. Just to load. Don't tell me it froze. No, okay, so psh. During a battle, like I'm alive. Our goals the same. The perfect game. Everything loading. Let's get to it. Load. Okay, so hurry up and load. Load. I don't know if it's in the video, everything is loading, because right now for me all I see is a head, and then a rectangle and a sphere, and my name tag. Okay, everything already loaded on your screen, on the video, but here you have the to pronounce it, the Izanagi, and his Susanoo thing. Like his skeletal Susanoo. Just activate it. Bam. What is? Okay, there we go. Hold up. I'm gonna take out the Rasengan. I'm gonna switch to the Rasengan for healings. I was looking. So Madara takes over the leaf. Bam. This isn't fair. I just destroyed that guy with my Susanoo. So I'm gonna let me try to switch-ish. Okay, let's say fire style. Let's say so the Sharingan can let you copy stuff. So let's say copied some people, and he copies Naruto's Rasengan. Let's just say that, okay? So got him. The Rasengan. Let's go. Susanoo. Cannot touch me with this Susanoo rib cage. Okay, this is OP. Just I'm out of chakra. Chakra rod. While charging chakra. Now it was Izanagi. There we go. See, that's what it does. Bring the full health. No, Susanoo. Okay, don't fail me now. That's annoying. That's Earth style. I don't know what this is called. Got him. Bam. I must be lagging hardcore. I must be like, speed is not something I have. That is my kill. I killed that guy. I'm about to someone. Okay, if it gets to the point where everyone starts wrecking. Well, I can't use Izanagi anymore for now. No! Okay, so I have been wrecked. By level 650, my dude's using the third White Kage's lightning chakra mode. How am I supposed to win? My dude has Sasuke's or the lightning. I'm about to use lightning chakra. Okay, Sindora, so I cannot defeat anyone with that mode when everyone else is using legit curse marks, gates, this, and this, And so like, let's go with one of these. Let's go with Kage's. Let's say he took the third Raikage's cells, and yeah, that's what we'll say. Goes. Oh, I'm retarded. I never even turned. Bam! Got him. You think you can get me with that? No, Senor. Got him. Okay. You think that's not it? This is a wind. Wind style. I think. Actually, no. Let's keep it that. Our goals are saying. Hold up. I want to like switch something out for some taijutsu. Without taijutsu. I can't see it. Okay, load. Okay, so this is like. You can like see this is all Rock Lee or Guy Sensei. Let's go with this to G. Okay. Let's do some wrecking. I like this lightning chakra because it has a special Z. Like some of them, not everywhere. Not see it looks. Okay, so it looks cooler when you have a target. Is that what you do with the brush? Like this, like that. And then you grab the person and you throw them. He's amazing. Okay, so like, let's go. Let's go. I hope you killing people and amusing, I guess. I don't know. Let's go. Come on. Nah, he blocked. Earth stop. God. What is this madness? Okay, so I got tag teamed. I'm coming back for these two. Coming back for you. Madara Uchiha never gives. My dude doesn't give up over here. You know what? I'm not gonna make this video more than 10 minutes long. So for the last couple of minutes, let's go with freaking Ninetales Kurama mode and go kill some people with the Kurama. Yeah, Tail Beast bombs. Yeah. I like how my clothes aren't yellow like his. Okay, so like. Ju! Don't test me! Okay, he tested me. You won't get the kill, I get the kill, I kill myself. I've been destroyed, so like... I'm not... you know what? It's gonna be more than 10 minutes long. Screw it. I'm gonna use this for the last couple minutes and wreck people for... This is me just basically failing at trying to wreck people. If I choose the Susanoo. See, people who don't know how to block, these are the people I like. No, not doing part of these. People I love. Okay. Hold up, I need a taijutsu. I need this. This, if you don't know what this does this, you go faster. It takes a load of stamina, and like without stamina I can't keep up this bijou thing. So this I'm gonna use okay, so like I need to tell you people something. You don't know. Every shinobi ever that control the power of chakras has. I don't care what you say. Every single to learn how to use it. Okay? You just have to learn how to use it. Like I'm gonna use the 7 staminas. If it gens with something's called a stamina sauce. Sauce. Rasen Shuriken! Crap. Come on, let me juice. Come on, Earth Tower. No, this guy is annoying. Let me just Izanagi. No! I keep forgetting it's a freaking abort mission. Abort mission. I don't have my Sharingan activated, do I? Because Izanagi wasn't working. I swear I was pressing B. Izanagi wasn't working. So this guy, I was trying to like fix myself. But it's not working. Ninetales again. Actually, this Ninetales though. If you don't know what this one does, let me show you. This one gives you Golden Rasen Shuriken that explodes, shots people. It's amazing. And then if they don't kill them, normal Rasen Shuriken. I mean, it's not as good, but like you got double Rasen Shurikens. You got double Rasen Shurikens, okay? Let's try juicing this. Hold up, I've always wanted to know. I keep forgetting to look. Okay, so that's that for wind. And that's earthquake. Forgot about that. Anyways, let's go. Hold up, I see elements. Okay, so I think I know this one. So like wind, fire, earth, water. I think that's lightning. And that's all I know. I saw the same books, I know. I'm not Japanese if you guys didn't know. Like part Japanese. Oh, nah. Oh, he got his teammate! Golden Rasen Shuriken! Rasen Shuriken! Susanoo! That counts as a kill, right? Oh, it does. Guys, that guy's the one that tried to kill me a lot. So, let's go another place, so. Also, guys, today my birthday, you guys didn't know, January 25th is my birthday. So, if you want to wish me a happy birthday in the comments. And as a gift for my birthday, you could subscribe. That'd be like the best birthday present ever. Okay, this is the, hold up, let me just, Rasen Shuriken! I just had to do it, okay? So, this will be the end of the videos. This is the end of the video. Thanks you guys for watching. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, whatever. So, I'll see you guys video. Also, comment down below what you want me to record. I can record some Roblox games. Any apps you want me to download. I'm not apps. I don't got cash. Yeah. So, tell me what kind of games you want me to play. On the computer, on my phone. Remember, like, comment, subscribe. And yeah. Bye.